Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about geometry. The topic that is about the unit vector. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put point 8. That is about number 2, 0 in here. Point B. That is about number 1, and number 1. Now we need to find vector AB. That means we have number 1 minus number 2. 1 minus number 2. And we have number 1 minus number 0. So we have negative number 1, positive number 1. Next, we need to find the magnitude of vector AB. So we have negative number 1 inside the square, negative number 1 with the power number 2, and number 1 with the power number 2. So we have the square root of number 3. Now the question, they want to find the unit vector. So that should be about vector AB over the magnitude of vector AB. So we have negative number 1 over the square root of number 3. Negative number 1 over the square root of number 3, and positive number 1 over the square root of number 3. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.